Well, after a week off for spring break, testimony resumes in the Tex McIver murder trial.
And we've learned that jurors will get an up-close and personal look at the SUV where McIver shot his wife, Diane. McIver claims the shooting was an accident, but prosecutors hope a look at the SUV will convince the jurors that it was murder. Fox 5's Angelique Proctor has been in court for all of the testimony in the case, and she joins us now live from downtown Atlanta with the very latest. Angelique?
Good afternoon. Well, well-known PR specialist Bill Crane has been on the stand for most of the afternoon. He told the jury he is a dear friend of Tex McIver's. He wanted to help him manage this crisis, but at the same time, he says he refused to lie.
Let's give the statements, facts, your version.
Bill Crane is a well-known PR operative and political commentator and a 30-year friend of Tex McIver. Crane says because of their long-standing friendship, he volunteered to be McIver's spokesperson after he shot his wife to get out in front of the story and separate facts from fiction and make it clear that the shooting was an accident.
Something, a bump, or bumped him awake, the gun discharged and her bullet went through the back of the car.
The supposed bump becomes important because lone witness and driver Danny Joe Carter says the SUV was stopped at a red light when Diane was shot. McIver later got flack about the media stories from his attorneys and others in the community for claiming fear of Black Lives Matter protesters caused Tex to request his gun. Jurors also heard from Emory surgeon Dr. Marty Sellers, who said he and another surgeon tried desperately to save Diane, but couldn't. When the two doctors went to break the news to Tex in the waiting room, here is what the doctor says the Atlanta attorney said to them.
Dr. Syed took the lead and said, please, Mr. McIver, have a seat. And he was pointing to this chair here. And Mr. McIver, basically before the sentence was able to be finished, he said, "Don't tell me what to do, boy."
Now, coming up at 6 o'clock, we'll hear more from Bill Crane about that Black Lives Matter comment that became so controversial and what Tex McIver specifically asked him to do about it. Reporting live from downtown, Angelique Proctor, Fox 5 News.
All right. Thanks, Angelique. Well, police have